Welcome back, my awesome Galaxy Watch community. So check this out. We do have some new apps available for your Galaxy Watch 5, and for prerequisite though is to have Wear OS 3.5 and One UI 4.5 installed on your watch. First things first, please make sure to update your apps before you download anything new. You will find a new redesigned Play Store has now an option called Manage Apps. Manage My Apps. Go in there. That's where you can update your apps that are already installed on your Galaxy Watch 5 or 4. First one up is Google Home, and some users have already tested it to the core and report the following. Turn Philips Hue lights on or off. Dim Philips Hue lights. Change temperature of thermostats. Turn smart outlets on or off. You will not be able to do the following when you install Google Home on your Galaxy Watch. Change Philips Hue scenes, turn on or off LG TV, turn on or off Logitech Harmony scenes, view Nest doorbell video feed, view Nest camera video feed. I think the video feed is something that should be changed. That is something important to have when you have Google Home. Number 2 is the Google Weather app, and the feedback collected so far is really quite interesting. The majority of Galaxy Watch users prefer the Samsung app over the Google Weather app. And you know what? At the end of the day, it is really your prerogative. Number 3 is the Google Phone app, which will offer you some reliable phone calls with spam protection. And that is what Google claims. Caller ID and many more features. Again, at the end of the day, check it out. See what works for you. Just a quick note on Gmail and the calendar app for your Galaxy Watch 4 and 5. You may have seen the Pixel Watch presentation yesterday. It has been previewed on the Pixel Watch Gmail and calendar app, so expect both apps to come to your Galaxy Watch soon. Peace.